Hello everyone. If you are joining us for the first time, welcome to the premier YouTube channel for shipping container living. Today we bring to you an amazing design video of a 3-story family house with a garage for 2 cars and a rooftop terrace. Stay tuned to find out more about this amazing design. BOXHAUS 1760 is a 3-story family house designed using 6 shipping containers to create a 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom house with open plan living in 1,760 square feet of habitable space. The containers are stacked in 3 levels. The ground floor level has a single 40-foot container. The second level comprises of 3 40-foot containers cantilevered on one side to enclose a carport for 2 cars. The third level comprises of a 20-footer and a 40-footer, with the remainder of the space on that level used as a family terrace. From the carport, a main entrance door midway the 40-foot container ushers you into a spacious entrance lobby. From the lobby, there is a spacious guest bedroom on the right. The guest bedroom is big enough to accommodate a double bed, enough wardrobe storage, and access to a private balcony. The original container cargo doors were retained to accommodate a private Juliet balcony. The balcony opening is fitted with full-height sliding glass doors for maximum daylighting, cross-ventilation, and unrestricted access. On the left-hand side of the entrance lobby is a full bathroom with a shower, a toilet, and a wash-hand basin, plus a laundry space with a Dobby sink, a washer, and dryer. All these spaces are well lit and ventilate naturally. From the entrance lobby, a U-shaped staircase connects to the first level of the house. The house has open plan living with an open kitchen, a dining space, and a lounge area. The kitchen design is spacious enough to accommodate all the kitchen appliances, enough worktop counter space, overhead and under the counter kitchen cabinets, plus a stainless kitchen sink. The kitchen is naturally lit with a horizontal slit window to light up the sink space and to frame out the view of the outdoors. The kitchen counter has a generous extension to accommodate a breakfast area that can comfortably seat 4. The dining space is big enough to comfortably seat 6 or 8, ideal for a big family. A wall of glass next to the dining overlooks the beautiful outdoors so that you can watch the light change or the weather roll in from a distance. The remaining space in the living room is occupied by the lounge area. The lounge space can accommodate several lounge seats depending on the need and configuration. The living space is one big bright space and is well lit with full-height glazing with light-colored finishes on the wall to create a feeling of space and openness. The design retains the container cargo doors to create a series of Juliet balconies offering direct outdoor access from the living room. Of the living room lobby, there are 2 ensuite bedrooms on the extreme end of the containers. The bedrooms are big and spacious to accommodate a double bed and enough wardrobe storage. All the bedrooms are fitted with false balconies to allow the door to slide open to enjoy the view or to let in cool breezes for natural ventilation, maximum daylighting, and visual access to the outdoors. The interior is finished in white to create that feeling of space. Each bedroom has a full bathroom with a shower, a toilet, and a wash hand basin. The staircase continues up to the upper story of the house, and this third level accommodates a master suite plus a home office. The home office can also be used as a family room depending on preference. The master bedroom is big and spacious with its own bathroom and a wall of storage, a dresser, and counter space. The lavish master bathroom design accommodates a glass shower cubicle, a toilet, and a wash hand basin. This entire third level of the house opens onto a big outdoor terrace. The sun-soaked terrace is a perfect spot from which to fully appreciate the stunning vistas and enjoy warm evenings full of family fun and activities. The remaining part of the roof can accommodate solar panels and hot water solar heating. Insulation and temperature control is essential. The local climate is the biggest determinant of the type of insulation or temperature control strategies to use in a shipping container house. Shipping container homes can be insulated either on the inside in order to celebrate the industrial aesthetic and marine history on the outside of the containers, or insulate it on the outside if the desire is to hide the corrugated container walls, plus to conserve the much needed limited space inside a shipping container box. There are very many outdoor finishes to use on a container house dependent on choice, cost, and climate. Feel free to explore all the available alternatives at your disposal. In addition, feel free to explore alternative outdoor options for outdoor spaces, including a covered rooftop terrace plus an enclosed carport to accommodate a two-car garage. This presentation comes with a complete set of fully dimensioned drawings which can guide you in your own shipping container project. The drawing set includes dimensioned floor plans, roof plans, elevations, and essential descriptions. If you want to buy blueprints of this amazing design or any other house from our channel, feel free to use the link in the description below. If you want a custom designed container house, you can contact us on email using info@sheltermode.com. What do you like or dislike about this design? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and feel free to share it. You are also encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you've not, for amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.